The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is very much aware of all those Tesla Smart Summon fail videos that you've been seeing over the past few days. Now, according to routers, the agency has even started looking into parking lot crashes involving the new feature, which allows owners to autonomously summon their cars to them in the parking lot. Router says the videos making the rounds include a Tesla striking a wall and another being hit by a vehicle backing up while the summon feature was being used. NHTSA told the news organization, "We are in ongoing contact with the company and we continue to gather information." Safety is NHTSA's top priority, and the agency will not hesitate to act if it finds evidence of a safety-related defect. The agency revealed that it's keeping an eye on Tesla, just as company chief Elon Musk tweeted that the feature was used over 550,000 times in its first few days. His company rolled out Smart Summon with a software update last week, allowing owners to drive their car to where they're standing simply by touching a button on the Tesla app. Now, while the feature has the ability to stop the vehicle if it detects an obstacle, it's still supposed to work with human input. The company told its users to use the feature only if they're standing around 200 feet from the vehicle and have a clear line of sight. It also warned them to monitor their car and its surroundings at all times, and to be especially careful around quick-moving people, bicycles, and cars. In case they do notice an obstacle, they can lift their finger from the summon button and stop their car from moving before it causes any accidents. Another show making my childhood dreams come true. You know, the very first TV show I ever turned on by myself as a kid that wasn't a cartoon was the very first episode of Star Trek: The Next Generation. That's why I'm so excited to see the second trailer for the CBS All Access series, Star Trek Picard. It was revealed recently at New York Comic-Con. The trailer to the 10-episode series was released during a panel of cast members, including Patrick Stewart, who is returning to play the iconic Captain Jean-Luc Picard. In the new series, Picard is older, brooding, and grounded on land. The legendary commander of the Starship Enterprise is facing retirement, but he still finds a reason to return to space. His relentless retirement is disrupted by a young woman who he believes is in serious danger. His mission is to keep her safe, and that leads him back to Starfleet and to command a new crew. The new show will follow the next chapter of Picard's life 20 years after the events of The Next Generation. Star Trek Picard will premiere on CBS All Access in the US and Canada on January 23rd, 2020. On January 24th, the show will go worldwide and be available to stream on Amazon Prime Video in more than 200 countries and territories. Oh, this is cool. Netflix has set a launch date for Season 2 of Lost in Space, the streaming service's family adventure series. The news came as the cast and crew talked up the upcoming season during its panel at New York Comic-Con, where a teaser preview was shown. The team also announced that J.J. Field has joined the cast for the new 10-episode season. In Season 2, shot in Iceland and Vancouver, the Robinsons and Jupiter 2 are stranded on a mysterious ocean planet without their beloved robot, and must work alongside the mischievous and manipulative Dr. Smith and the always charming Dawn West to make it back to the Resolute and reunite with the other colonists. But they quickly find all is not as it seems as they look for the key to finding Robot and safe passage to Alpha Centauri. Netflix has set a December 24th launch date for Season 2 of Lost in Space. And finally, happening in this week's What The, an airline catering cart spinning out of control in circles quickly causes havoc on an airport tarmac. And then a true hero steps up to stop it. The scene of the unusual incident captivated passengers sitting in a number of planes at Chicago's O'Hare Airport. The video of how events quickly unfolded has rocketed up to viral status on social media. From the video, it would seem that a solution wasn't immediately clear to the yellow-vested workers who were dangerously close to the cart, except for one man. His action was quick. He hops aboard an airport ground support vehicle and rams it into the golf cart, putting a stop to the cart's breakneck-paced spin. In a statement provided to Time, American Airlines said that they are investigating the incident. Preliminary reports indicate that the accelerator became stuck and caused the catering cart to lose control. While close watchers online wondered if the cart hit anyone, the airline stated that was not the case. No American Airlines team members were injured, and the incident resulted in one 10-minute flight delay. "We appreciate the quick action of our team members who stopped the vehicle," said the airline. Safety is their top priority, and they are working with partners to investigate the incident. Not all heroes wear capes. Some drive a ramp car into a cart that's in a freak-out mode. This guy is that guy. Thanks for watching your weekly tech update. If you have a story you think we should feature on the program, shoot me an email, djraymcneil@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook at Your Weekly Tech Update, and check out the podcast, audio and video versions available on iTunes, Google, Spotify, Audio Burst, and elsewhere on the interwebs. Till next time, I'm Ray McNeil. Good night, world. Your Weekly Tech Update brought to you by Holiday Home Care, Phillip Island, Victoria, Australia. It's your turn to relax. For more information, visit holidayhomecarepi.com or email holidayhomecarepi@gmail.com.